There could be some details that have not been released to the public about the aggravated child abuse case against Jodi Hildebrandt, but criminal defense attorney Sky Lazaro, who is not connected to this case, says it really doesn't appear that Hildebrandt's defense team has any real leverage to make a significant deal.
It's pretty tough when you have a co-defendant willing to testify against your client, and that co-defendant has agreed to a fairly substantial prison sentence as part of their plea.
Ever since Ruby Franke pled guilty and agreed to testify against her former business partner, many people have commented on social media that they don't want Hildebrandt to get any kind of deal which could include a shorter prison sentence.
In a case like this that's had a lot of press and the allegations or what she admitted to doing were pretty egregious, there's always going to be people who think it's not enough, that they should spend more time in prison.
But Lazaro says it's really not up to the judge or the prosecutors to decide how much time either Franke or Hildebrandt would serve. Former prosecutor Jeremy Diaz says the Utah Board of Pardons and Parole has the last word, and he believes it would be better for Hildebrandt to show the board that she takes some responsibility for her alleged crimes.
The sentences, when they go to prison, they are indeterminate. You have a pretty good idea of how much time they're going to spend, but at the same time they don't have to. They can stay longer. Some sort of acceptance of responsibility is good to have in front of the board.
He also says neither the prosecution nor the defense would want to put a child abuse victim on the stand.
The prosecutor is always, in a case like this, is always going to have the child's interest in mind.